Hello, with this HP 1522 printer, I'm going to show you two ways you can be able to clear stains and all kinds of debris when you make photocopy. Now, these are two printouts, the original and the photocopy. You can see the original is clear while the copy has faint text on it. I'm going to show you how to fix the two now. Here's the original. You can see how clear it is, sharp, and here's the copy. Look at how faint it is. Some of the text there can be seen clearly. So you can see this is the original and this is the copy. I'm going to show you how to fix it. So there are two things, or rather three things that can cause this, but I'm going to show you two major things that causes it. Number one is the scanner itself, the scanner glass and the scanner inside. So to be able to get access to the scanner, I'm going to lose out the screws. So if you're working with a HP 5220 1522 printer like I'm doing right now, this is what you are going to do. But if yours is other model, you have different ways of getting access to this glass. If you don't know how to do it, you can just Google it or check YouTube, or you can just hit me up in the comment section and I'll show you how to do it. So I'm going to take out the screws on at the top, here, and here. So I'm going to take out two screws at the front. To be able to do that, I'm going to remove this plastic that is holding the display area carefully. And then there are two screws I want to get access to. So to be able to remove this keypad, I'm going to get a screwdriver. You can see with hands, it can't come out easily if you are going to use a hand. So in order not to break it, get a flat screwdriver and gently pry open the plastic that is holding the keyboard. So I'm going to pry it open. There are actually three of them. So I'll pry open this one, and then the last one is here. Okay, so they're out now. So what I'm going to do right now is just gently move it towards the right. You can see it's out. Then I'll remove the flex, the screen flex. Gently, you have to be very careful not to damage the flex. Okay, so here is the display. I'm going to keep it aside. The reason why we are removing this is so that we can be able to remove the two screws, actually three of them, so that we can remove the three screws at the front panel. So in case I haven't done already, like and subscribe to the channel. We have great videos on how to fix a whole lot of office equipment, from scanners to printers, laptops, CCTV, PABS, and all kinds of office equipment. Okay, so I've been able to remove the screws. What I'm going to do right now is to gently raise the glass up so that I can get access to the glass and then clean it out. So you clean out the glass from the top and then you clean it out under also, because sometimes humidity and dust find its way under the scanner glass, and then when you make any photocopy, it stains your paper, and then your colored copy is not clear. So I'm going to gently clean it this way all through all the corner. Make sure everything is properly cleaned. Okay, another thing is this main scanner itself. So I'm going to reach out to the glass area, the part that produces the light. I'm going to gently pass this piece of cloth on top of the glass and then clean it carefully. You have to be very careful when doing this in order not to break the bulb. Okay, so I've been able to clean it. I'm going to go back again and do it one more time just to be sure that area is free of dust and debris and all kinds of humidity. Okay, so I'm going to gently clean out the glass one more time just to be sure that everything here is fine. So I've been able to clean the glass. Everything right now is fine. Can see everything is neat, no dust, no debris from the top of the glass to under the glass. Everything is neat. So I'm going to gently clean this area also. So basically the trick here is clean out the glass on top and under the uh, glass. That should be able to resolve the problem. If this doesn't resolve the problem, I'm going to show you what else you can do to be able to solve it. So I'm going to return the display keypad and then the front panel. I'll cover it up properly and then I'll run a copy. If it's neat, your problem is solved. But if there's still stains and then it's not sharp and then you can't see your text clearly, I'll show you one more thing to do. That means you have to clean the inner scanner. This one we are dealing with is the outer scanner. There is a laser scanner inside. I'll show you how to clean that also. Okay, so here is an original that I'm going to be making a copy with. So that is inside. I'm going to close it and then try to run a copy. So here is the copy I ran, and I'm going to show you what the original and the copy looks like. You can see this is the copy and here is the original. You can see that they are both clear and sharp. You can hardly differentiate anything between them. So another thing that can cause your copy to come out with faint text is the laser scanner inside. There is another scanner that is inside that is hidden. It's not easily accessible. So it's either you open your printer to be able to get access to the scanner and clean it, or you clean it this way I'm doing. Because I know where the position of the scanner is, so I'm going to clean it this way. So first, open your printer, get access to this area, the area that is opposite your cartridge inside. You can see there is a hole inside. If you put your hand inside, you'll see a hole, a vertical hole inside. Rather, a horizontal hole rather inside the printer. So what I'm going to do is remove my cartridge and then gently push a piece of cloth inside that scanner area, and then I'll clean it thoroughly. Once you clean that, the problem will be solved. So that is it, folks. Thank you, and I will see you some other time.